Welcome everybody, my name is Dabo Owen Etela. You're welcome to my channel, and on this channel we talk about cloud technologies, digital transformation, product building, generally enterprise software and things that help your software, your startup, especially when it comes to technology. And today we'll be talking about AWS Activate for startups and founders. AWS Activate is a program that gives credit to startups and founders who do not have funding or who have funding. Being a founder myself, I know what it is to bootstrap a business without support. So a program like AWS Activate is one that helps you to buffer up your on expenses, on cloud expenses. So today I'm going to show you how you can apply for AWS Activate. Though you need to know that for you to get the AWS Activate credit, you need to have an AWS account. They issue out credits in $1,000, $10,000, and $100,000. It depends on which criteria you fall under, which criteria you meet. They have two different packages. They have the founders package that is for small bootstrapped startups, and they have the portfolio package that is for businesses who are in probably their growth stage and have received funding from VCs, accelerators, incubators, and all other kinds of startup enabling providers. So let's go on to the PC and I show you how to um, apply for the AWS Activate um, credit. But before then, please just take a minute to subscribe and yeah. So here we are on the AWS Activate page. For you to get to the AWS Activate page, you go to the aws.amazon.com/activate. aws.amazon.com/activate. So it brings you to this page. As I said before, you must have an AWS account to get this credit because it's going to be the credits will be applied on your account. So you need to log in to make the application. So you could read more about the program here and see where have more information about it. They do not only give you credit for their cloud services, they also give you credit for developer support too. So these are their programs. Explore program tiers. So these are the two programs. You check which of the criteria you meet. If you are you're in growth stage or early stage, or you've received some funding, you would go for the self-funded funded startup package. Or if you're a small bootstrap startup, trying to get on their feet, you go for this self-funded package. So we're going to apply using the self-funded and bootstrap startup package. All right. So I think you can click here or you click apply here. When you click apply, it takes you to a page. But as I said, you must have an AWS account because it is done from your AWS console. Now here again, they repeat on this application page. They repeat the two packages so that you would know which criteria you fall under. So for the founders package, which is the small bootstrap startups, you're going to get $1,000 of AWS credit valid for 2 years, and you're going to also get $350 US AWS developer support credits for valid for a year. Then the portfolio package is there. As I said, it is for companies who are in their growth stage or early stage or have received funding from an accelerator or an incubator or a VC. And you can get as much as $100,000 in credits, cloud credits. All right, so we will go for this and we say get started. Okay, so now on this page, now they tell you the credit you're getting, they tell you the support credits you're getting, and as I said earlier, you need your AWS account ID because that is where the credits will be applied to. So you would see when you've signed up, you would see your account ID is going to show up here. I have mine here, but I don't want you to see it. And you're going to check apply my credits to this account if I'm eligible, and you go next. On this next page now, you fill in details of your company, the name of your company, where it's located, your website, what product are you building, when was the company founded, what industry describes your company, who are your target consumers. They are gathering all these questions to help you, so that they can serve you better, can create more packages that would help your startup grow. Then it comes to another section where it asks you more about your product, what stage it is, are you still ideating, or you've launched and you're iterating, or you're scaling. All right, and when you plan to launch and all this information. And also, we would love to know about your interest in joining AWS Activate. So you fill in all these other information. When you fill in all this information, you click next. If I click next, nothing will happen there because I have not filled this information, and I'm not going to fill it because I already have benefited. I already have AWS Activate applied on my account. But the next stage is you fill in the names and contact details of the founders. You put in their emails and their, I think, phone numbers, and then you wait for 7 to 10 days for AWS to send you the email confirming that you have your credit applied on your account. So it's just it doesn't take anything. The longest process that's going to be here will be signing up on AWS, creating an AWS account. What is needed for an AWS account? Basically your email and password. But when you log in, when you've done the first stage of the sign up, it then asks you for your name, your phone number, where you're located, and it would still require a credit card just to verify that. To verify, it's going to deduct $1 from the credit card just to verify the credit card, but it's not going to charge the credit card. Like after that, it will refund your dollar back to you. And when he's done that, let's say when that is done, your AWS account is set up and ready. So it's a simple, straightforward process. When you get your AWS account, if you know you need credits to build for your app, for your storage, for your virtual machine, come to AWS and create your AWS Activate account, apply for it. This video is not sponsored. I've benefited from AWS Activate, so I think you too should be able to benefit from it. So if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends who are also building products and need credit for their product, cloud credits, to apply for the AWS Activate credits. So until next time, I thank you very much, and thank you for stopping by. We'll make better videos in the future. We'll make more informative and educative videos. So as I said before, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends who are building stuff to apply for AWS credits. So until next time, my name is Dabo Owen Etela, and see you next time.